Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lilypad from Toy Story 5. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve across. Now on each side, let's leave a small gap and let's draw a large circle for the eyes. And then on top, let's add a curve around and down to the other side. Now let's hop into the eyes and let's add another circle towards the center. And then another circle inside on the top right. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it up from each end. Bring it down. And then back up to the eyes. And then inside this top section, let's draw two small circles. And then color them both in black. Next, underneath, we're going to draw the mouth. Let's start on the left and we're going to draw a curve up and over to the right side. And then another curve down underneath. Now we're going to hop in and draw the tongue. Let's draw two curves around like this. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the shape of the tablet. Let's start on each side and let's draw a bump down. Then a line down underneath. And then underneath each side, let's add another bump down and back up. And close off the bottom with a line across. Now let's hop inside and we're going to add a border starting at the top. Let's add a curve down. And the same on the right side. Now a line down underneath. A bump on each side. And connect it with a line across. Now that we have the shape of the tablet, let's hop in and let's draw the hands. Let's start at the top and let's draw two bumps out on an angle. Now from the top, let's draw two lines out for the first finger. and add a circular curve at the ends. Now let's add another finger in the center in the same way. And then one more at the bottom. Now inside each of the hands, let's add another bump up. And a curve across. And that's it for the hands. Now we're going to hop to the bottom corners and draw the feet in the same way. Let's start with 2 curves. Add 2 lines at the top for the first finger. And a circle curve at the ends. Now let's add 1 in the center. And 1 at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's add a curve. And close it off. And that's it for the hands and feet. Now let's draw the shape of the screen. At the top, let's draw a line across in between the fingers here. Then hop down and we're going to draw 2 lines down. And then 1 across at the bottom. Now that I have the screen, lastly, we're going to hop back up on top of each hand and let's draw a small black circle on each side. And then 2 on top. Two underneath. And then 2 on the sides. And that's it for Lilypad. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!